My name is Katsuji Tanabe. I'm the chef and owner of A Verde in Raleigh, North Carolina. And I'm gonna show you how to make the best guacamole. Number one, you need a bowl and you need avocados. So this is the way I cut it. I go around and move it like this. You stick your knife and then you roll it and then you push it with your fingers like that. There's another technique that works as well. You put two fingers right here and then one down here and then you push it out. You're gonna put your cooling rack on top of your bowl where you're gonna scoop out the avocado. Then I'm gonna flip it over, then I push it down. You end up with this looking that it's perfectly square pieces of avocado. Let's move to the components of a real guacamole. Some serrano chilies, because I like it spicy, cilantro, and red onion, limes, and salt. Don't put tomatoes, don't put black pepper, do not put garlic. Garlic, I love garlic just like everybody else, but on the avocado, it just takes away from the experience of the guacamole. So I'm gonna show you how to cut chilies, cut it in half, and then I go with little strips just like this. I like when my food fights back, so I like it spicy. So I'm gonna go with slices like this, and then this way. Again, perfectly cut squares of red onion into the bowl. Cilantro, you either love it or you hate it. In this case, we love it. I'm not adding the leaves, I'm adding the bottom parts. The texture and the flavor, it's more intense than cilantro itself. This is the part that most of people will just throw away. We love the cilantro stems. Here we go. Something important about cilantro, you don't want to over chop it because cilantro will go black really fast. I have all my ingredients here. Most important, salt, and go heavy on the salt. We're gonna go with limes. Now, we are gonna mix it. I want it to be chunky. Take nice heavy scoop. You want it, pile it really high. And then a little bit of extra lime. And then we're gonna go with the tops of the cilantro. I like it spicy, so I'm gonna go take some serranos and then just put it on top. And this is how I make the best guacamole.